Friends, welcome to day 29 of the insight from the book of Proverbs. And we're looking today from Proverbs chapter 29. We'll begin from verse 20. It says, "There is more hope for a stupid fool than for someone who speaks without thinking." Now, you must always understand that most of the times you have the ability to act in an unwitty way, in a form that is not so edifying and not so well, and you may likely end up regretting your action if you do not think before you take certain action, and if you do not think before you speak certain words. Most of the times, people have gotten into trouble, people have gotten into near-death situation. Why? Because they did not think through their action before taking it. And most of the times, if you act before you think, it usually ends up in regret. And that's why the Bible says in Proverbs, through King Solomon, that there is more hope for a stupid fool than for someone who speaks without thinking. Verse 22 says, "People with quick tempers cause a lot of quarrel and trouble." Brothers and my brother, my sister, please always try to calm down. Always try to be calm. Always try not to be quick to take things aggressively. There are a lot of people who heard a gossip about them, what someone said about them, and instantly they took certain action, fought with people that should have been crucial to their destiny. They lost those relationships, and at the end of the day, they keep causing a lot of trouble. You know, in today's world, people would not tell you the outcome of your action, but they would initiate your taking that action. So you must always take out time to be calm, to always make sure that you work on your emotional intelligence, you work on how you respond to your immediate environment, how you respond to issue, how you respond to actions, and how you go about things in your life. Let me read one more before I end this video. He said, "It is dangerous to be concerned," that's verse 25, "it is dangerous to be concerned with what others think of you, but if you trust the Lord, you are safe." Listen, in today's world, we have people who are so concerned and affected with a lot of identity crisis, and for that reason, they cannot move forward, they cannot accomplish so much in their life, they cannot do so well in life, and they end up to be behind. He said, when you become so concerned, you walk out, people say, "Oh, why are you wearing that shoe? Oh, why are you wearing that clothes? Oh, why are you speaking this way? Oh, why are you doing that? Oh, why are you doing this?" One day, you realize that you cannot satisfy everyone. Understand your identity, understand where you place in destiny, put your trust in God, and follow through. Before you know it, you will enjoy peace and accomplishment in life. Stop getting bothered about what everyone says about you. Pick the right criticisms, work on yourself, become a better person, and walk the journey of life with so much happiness. I hope this session really blessed you, and I hope you were so inspired by this video. Please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to this channel. Also, do well to share this video with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as I share from the insight from the book of Proverbs chapter 30. Cheers.